everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to generate image in Odoo 19.3, and we can say that this is one of the expected feature of Odoo 20, that is the image generation using the AI. So to deal this with, we can just move on to the AI module, and here you can see that we have the Odoo image generation agent, and upon choosing it, you can see that we'll be getting the option. Now, as you just move on to the configuration here, you can see that we have the model as Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana, and the new model which has been included into the Odoo 19.3 and into the Odoo 20. So let me choose it, and I'll be giving the prompt over here in order to generate the image. Create an image of wooden chair in the office background. Okay, and click on enter, and you can see that Odoo will be thinking, which means the Odoo AI will be thinking and will be creating the image over here. So let's wait for a while, and you can see that the Odoo has successfully generated the image of the wooden chair in the office background. Yes, we have just got it. So if you just want to make use download this, you can just do it. If you just want to delete this, you can also just go ahead, and you can see that we have the button to try again. If you just move on with try again, Odoo will be suggesting another image over here. So let's see, the image will be a bit different from the previously created one, and you can see that here the Odoo AI has regenerated the image with the office background, and you can just see it. If you just want to copy the text, you can also just make use of this button. This is one of the way where you can just make use of the Odoo AI to generate the image. Now let's move on to the website module, and in the website module you can just head into the website. Like we'll be seeing that we have a dedicated website where we can just manage with everything. So let me try to build a new website over here. Yeah, let's say we have the content, like I would like to just use this. Let's try to save. Sometimes it won't be saving. Yeah, access denied. But I'll show you the example how to do it. As we are just using the run board, we know that the instance is in live mode, and we are just unable to just make use of it. So in order to open the AI, you have to double click on the image, and here you can see that we have the AI, and we can just make use of it, and here we can help me to generate an image. So let's ask over here, and AI will be thinking, and it's getting ready, and you can see that it will be generating the image over here, or you can also provide the prompt over here. So the scenario has been not given here. So create an image for my website which shows the office space. So let's generate the image. So let's see whether the AI will be generating the image or not. So we can just wait for a while, because the AI is thinking and preparing to generate the image. So it's working on the picture. So here you can see that the image generated. So we can just tell them to adjust more or less people's, warmer or cooler light, more desk or more launch or collab areas. So once you just provide the like everything clearly, you can just you will be getting the image accordingly. And if you just want to make use of this image by replacing the existing image, you can just use this, and you can see that we have just added the image over here. So that's how we make use of the AI image generation in Odoo. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.